Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to delete an Xbox account without logging in. First, understand that directly deleting an account without access is not possible through standard means. You must go through Microsoft's account recovery or direct support channels. This crucial step is designed to protect user security, ensuring only the rightful owner can initiate such a permanent action. You will need to gather essential personal details to verify your identity and ownership of the associated Microsoft account. To effectively initiate the account recovery process, you will need to meticulously gather specific pieces of information. This includes your full legal name, your exact date of birth, and any past billing information, like credit card numbers or PayPal details, used on the account. Additionally, be ready to provide alternative email addresses or phone numbers previously linked to the account, which can aid in identity verification. Details about recent game purchases or subscriptions linked to your Xbox profile are also very helpful. Once you have all your information ready, your next step is to reach out to Microsoft support. Navigate to the official Microsoft account recovery page online or use their dedicated support phone lines. Clearly explain your situation to the support agent, emphasizing that you cannot log in and require assistance with account deletion. They will guide you through a series of verification questions to meticulously confirm your identity, so be patient and provide precise details. After submitting your information, Microsoft support will begin the verification process, which might take a few business days to complete. Once your identity is successfully confirmed, a support agent will walk you through the necessary steps to finalize the account closure. Be aware that typically, a waiting period of around 30 days is observed before the account is permanently deleted from their systems, ensuring no accidental deletions occur. This final step secures your privacy and removes all associated data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.